All right, another wonderful day. It's Monday. We're actually waiting for a couple of customers to send them some of these the real cups, not these knockoffs that I've been making. And it's Monday. My barber's bike is the product of today's learning lessons. We are going to double sprocket it, which I just cleaned. Might need to add a thousandth more. We're making our bracket. The motor's going to sit right here. We'll use one chain for the motor, one chain for the pedals. And I bought a whole bunch of gold chain. We're going to go ahead and cut our plate that came with this to make it fit inside this housing. And then we'll mate all the little key pieces that we've put together. That makes it fit. You know, so on and so forth. Figured I'd go ahead and catch some of this while I was in the middle of it. Here's the plate. I'm going to cut it the rest of the way out and then add to it. Okay. All right, we cut out our template for CJ. It's backwards. I'm just messing. Don't listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, it was backwards. Shavit. Want me to mount it?
Mm-hmm.
I was like, I have to have at least one fixed point here. Yep. Nice.
Make a little bracket off of here to here.
Ah, okay.
Maybe like this, or maybe twist this 90 degrees
Uh-huh.
and have it there to go in flat on the bottom. Maybe not.
I made a piece that was smaller.
Yeah.
But it may have
We'll
been.
put this here like that, and then I could tack a piece underneath for a support.
Of course, that went to the bolt hole, but. Yep, that slot. Yep, there you go.
Yeah, we could do that, and I'll put a little piece right here.
Yep. I could cut a piece of angle iron or something if you want. Yeah, this stuff right here. That might be too thin though. Yeah. Everything was smooth. Of course, it was 5 a.m., but everything was smooth at 5 a.m. All right. CJ and I got our mock-up pieces. He's going to go ahead and tack weld everything on there and make sure it's all straight. And from what I can tell, that is straight. Yeah, you can't even see the sprocket for the pedal until you raise up the camera.
make sure that bottom piece is straight before I tack that.
Yeah.
Alright, now I can pull it off and weld it on the bench.
Alright, let's take it off. CJ, you've done it again. So, made me unibit the holes out so he could get these nuts to fit. And then he's got them level. We're going to go ahead and tack them in. And that will be the base for our motor mount. Jesus, this guy. Y'all don't pay him enough. Just so y'all know, you razor guys don't pay this dude enough. And it's not about me because it's equal share. He gets half of everything I get, he gets. So no, he doesn't get paid at all. It's all for fun. Jesus, the way you carry those welds, it's just...
I get that burnt paint off of there.
Yes, sir. Wow.
There we go.
Beautiful. Yeah, it looks great. Fantastic. I'll give it a little balance.
Yeah.
That'll lock her down. I'm going to wedge it. 2 stools.
Kind of like 2 chains.
2 chains?
2 stools. Alright, just a little tacky.
You're tacky.
I don't even know if it's going to blow through or not.
It's pretty thick. And it's cold. That's so cool.
Alright. Alright, now we got our nuts welded in there.
It's obviously a boy bike then.
Yeah, got 2 nuts now.
Aha! Oh, 2 chains.
2 chains, 2 nuts.
2 nut. Go ahead and clean the finish.
There you are, Bubba.
Yes, sir. He's like, I am done. Drops the microphone.
Drops the welding lead.
Yeah. No big deal. It's only ceramic. Perfect. Are you feeling me? Looking pretty close. Just got to clean up this edge and then down here a little bit. That smells nice. Old plastic. Ooh. Flush.
Alright, don't make it flush.
Don't make it flush. Okay.
Yeah, we need a little bit of meat on there.
My bad.
Good job, brother.
Get back in your cave, boy. Okay.
Put my glasses on my head.
Real professional.
I don't like these glasses.
That's okay. You got to keep your welding helmet safe.
Look, got brand new ones.
Ooh, it's beginning to look a lot like a bicycle. Twin and Son, 1999. Let go. Wow, was that like offer up? 1999.
Where's them bolts?
Them bolts, them bolts. Oh, we need to put nuts on it.
Oh, we're gonna have to drill the inside because these won't go in far enough.
Or I got to get shorter ones or cut them short.
Well, that one made it. I think this one's gonna hit. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll make it short.
But that one made it.
Nope.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Alright, so man, we should have drilled that out while we had that off. The nuts out of there. Ground.
I took the rest of the cake too. Ooh, look at that, look at that. Oh my goodness.
Does it fit?
Yes. It fits. And it looks great. I guess all that's left is everything. All right. Go ahead and clean it, paint it up, and we'll go ahead and throw the other chains on there. That was so fast. That was so fast and easy. Thank you. Let's go. I'll clean it up while CJ does whatever the fuck he wants.
This pin out about 90% of the way. Maybe if this vice. Let me get my center punch one.
Yep.
A little bit more. And then do we need to put it on in place?
Oh, wow. Most likely. I've been doing it wrong my entire life.
Alright, there's that. We'll get some pliers. I think we're almost on. Alright, we gotta hammer the rest.
Okay. Hey, I got to take off. CJ and I realized that sprocket, the one in red, is too thick, and it was literally grabbing the chain and holding on to it. But before we leave, we're prepping up so that we can clean this guy and make it a little bit more narrow so it won't hang up. But pretty much done. Great job, CJ.